Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about database architecture, part of database management system course. Database architecture refers to the overall design and structure of a database, including the way data is organized, stored, and accessed. There are several different types of database architectures, including relational database. A relational database is a type of database that organizes the data into tables, also known as relations, and defines relationships between them using keys. Relational databases are based on the relational model, which was developed by Edgar in 1970s. Object-oriented databases. An object-oriented database is a type of database that stores data as objects rather than as tables and rows. Object-oriented databases are based on object-oriented model, which is a programming paradigm that organizes data and code into reusable objects. NoSQL, short form of not only SQL, is a type of database that is designed to handle large amounts of data that is not well suited to the relational model. NoSQL databases come in several different types, including key value stores, document databases, and column family databases. Cloud databases. A cloud database is a database that is hosted and managed by a cloud computing provider rather than being installed and maintained on local servers. Cloud databases offer scalability, flexibility, and high availability, but may also introduce security and compliance concerns. The choice of database architecture depends on the needs of the application, the type of data being stored, and the performance and scalability requirements. It is important to carefully consider the database architecture to ensure that it is appropriate for the application that will meet the needs of the user. Hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching.